Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the solution of NPTEL assignment of Mechanics of Machining. The due date of this assignment is 12th Feb 2025. The solution is already also given along with the answer. So please see the solution at side of the question. Question 1. In an orthogonal machining, the cutting force is 750 Newton and the thrust force is 400 Newton and the rake angle is 8 degree. So Fc is given, Ft is given, alpha is given, and the formula is mu is equal to F upon N. So all the formula is already shown in the assignment. So please see the solution. So here we will get the answer of 0.73. So option 1 is correct. Now come to the question 2. In question 2, the cutting force is 900 Newton. Uncut chip thickness means T1 is 2 mm. W thickness is 6 mm. And the shear angle means phi. It is given in 22 degree. And the normal stress on the shear plane is 90 megapascal. It means sigma is given. So by the formula given for the sigma is equal to Fc sin phi plus Ft cos phi upon Bt sin phi. So by putting all the values, you will get the value of Ft is 2746 Newton. Okay, now question number 3. In the question number 3, the mean thickness is given. Mean thickness of primary shear zone is reduced by 1/3 and shearing time is doubled. So by the formula is of strain rate, delta S upon delta T into 1 upon delta Y. Here the time is 1/3. So if we reduce the time by 1/3 and the thickness is reduced by 1/3 and the shearing time is doubled. So the percentage change in shear strain will be 1.5 gamma S. It means 50% will be increases. So strain rate 50% increases. Now come to the question number 4. Here the formula given by Bonham and Bayes model is given. Here M is the friction factor. If you put all the values here and calculate, then we will get the answer. F equivalent is 0.0526. 0.0526. Here answer is 0.0526. Please correct it. Now come to the next question. For the next question, the rake angle is given. Shear angle is 35 degree. Alpha is given. Phi is given. Cutting speed is 30 meter per minute, and the chip velocity we have to find. So first we have to calculate R, chip thickness ratio. So by the formula we will get 0.7. Then R is equal to Vc upon V, which is a chip thickness ratio. So velocity of chip upon cutting speed. So here we will get the cutting speed of 21 meter. Chip velocity 21 meter per minute. Question number 6. Here alpha is given, rake angle, and chip compression ratio is given 3.5. We have the formula gamma is equal to c square minus 2c sin alpha plus 1 upon c cos alpha. If you put all the values, you will get the answer is approximately 3.45. Okay, now come to the question number 7. Here phi is given, shear angle 40 degree, rake angle is 10 degree. Then the shear rate, shear strain during cutting speed. Shear strain is equal to gamma is equal to cot phi plus 10 phi minus alpha. You put all the values, you will get 1.77. This is shear strain. Question number 8. In the question number 8, FC means cutting force is given, tangential force, thrust force is given, and the normal force is given. We have to find the shear force. So by the relation Fs square plus Fn square is equal to Fc square plus Ft square, we will get the answer of Fs is equal to 664 Newton. So answer of question 8 is 664 Newton. Now come to the question number 9. This question number 9 is similar to the question number 2. Here we have to find the normal, we have to given the, here the normal force is given, and here we have to find the shear force. So formula is given, formula is already written on the solution. So you will get the normal force, normal stress is 41. See the formula and solution. In question number 10, here all values are given. Thickness is given, chip thickness, chip width is given, mu 0.6 is given, means coefficient of friction alpha is given 10 degree, and the shear strength is 480 megapascal. First we have to find the shear angle. So for shear angle, phi is equal to pi by 4 minus half lambda minus alpha. This is the relation for minimum power. Tan lambda is equal to 0.6. Actually the coefficient of friction mu is equal to tan lambda. So here we will find lambda, value of lambda 31 degree, and put this value in this formula and calculate the phi, value of phi. After that we have to calculate the area, shear stress, shear area, then we have to calculate the shear force. So shear, we will get the value of 847 Newton. Now question number 11, it is a very simple. Resultant force will be under root Ft square plus Fc square. You will get the 832 Newton. Okay, now question number 12. In the question number 12, all values are given. By putting this value in this formula, F is equal to KWT 1 plus cos phi. We will calculate the value of phi. We will get the 31.6 degree. Now question number 13. In this question number 13, the Merchant solution is 2 phi plus beta minus alpha is equal to 90 degree. Beta is the friction angle, and the rake angle is given 5 degree, and the coefficient of friction is 0.5. So by the coefficient of friction we will get the friction angle for 26.56. Then put in the Merchant first solution, you will get the phi barabar 34.22. So here the answer is B. Next question, in metal cutting there is no plastic deformation when the chip compression ratio is 1. Chip compression ratio is basically reciprocal of chip thickness ratio. It is represented by zeta. So chip compression ratio is zeta. Zeta is equal to 1 upon r. So when T1 barabar T2, then no plastic deformation takes place. And the question number 15 is not given. So statement is not given. So we cannot do this question. So these are the answers of all 14 questions. So all the friends, please subscribe the channel so that you will get the solution of next assignment as early as possible. Thank you.